Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to export audio only in Adobe Premiere Pro. At first, finish your editing project and make sure the audio track you want is on your timeline. Now go to top menu and click File, click Export, click Media. In the export setting window, go to Format drop down and choose MP3. Next, under the output name, click to choose where you want to save your file and give it a name. Then in the audio tab, you can adjust the vibrant or sample rate if needed, but default setting usually work great. When everything looks good, click export. Premiere will process it and save your audio file as an MP3. And that's how you can export easily audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.